Get ready to sizzle. The 13th annual Erotica LA has come to town. It's billed as the largest erotic show in the U.S., but will the discovery of new HIV cases in the porn industry dampen celebrations? Hal Eisner is live downtown with more. Hal?
Well, it's certainly something people are aware of here and have been talking about, though they'd rather be talking about the Expo's how-to workshops and sexy lingerie fashion show. This is Erotica LA, a chance to check out the latest sexy movies, sexy fashions.
Check out all the sexy ladies, man.
Meet some of those who act in adult movies, like Kiara King, Stormy Daniels, Eric John. But this annual consumer show is overshadowed this year by the news of an HIV case at a local adult filmmaking company.
Yeah, the timing of that was pretty bad.
There was a lot of talk here about the just-discovered case involving an actress in an industry that's long resisted regulation and condom use.
Luckily, I work for Wicked Pictures, and we're the only company in the business that is condom mandatory. We've been that way for 10 years. I personally have never done a scene without a condom.
I work unprotected almost all the time.
You don't worry when you do a scene you don't wear a condom. You don't worry that you might get something that you didn't want.
No, because, again, on average, I think it's safer to work in a closed community of people that are all getting tested all the time than any other situation in American life where you're having multiple sexual partners.
And the truth of the matter is it's a really isolated incident, and yes, it could have been prevented if things were done properly, but I'm not worried about it.
But some companies apparently are shutting down their production work temporarily.
Of course, we're all concerned. We've canceled production for the next couple weeks to see what happens and where it goes. But everybody's making such a big deal that the HIV scare is a porn-related thing, but it's not. It's a human thing. Like, there's certainly a lot more HIV being transmitted outside the adult business. We do the best we can to make sure that it's safe.
The state OSHA division is looking into this case. Meanwhile, as for Erotica LA, well, it's open tomorrow. It's open Sunday here at the Los Angeles Convention Center, and it is open to the public. Reporting live from downtown Los Angeles, Hal Eisner, Fox 11 News.